So it looks like this is a very typical editor that I would see, very comparable. A very minimal to this. I'm able to search this, I'm guessing the internet. This is a video.
So I'm imagining that I'm writing a blog post to tell my friends about a holiday I recently took or would like to take to New York City. I have to use the cognitive assistant. Check the writing tone in your story using the tone analyzer, tuning fork icon, and make any adjustments. Oh, that's really interesting. I'm going to go ahead, but see, these would be the links that I would use. See, insert link, insert video. Okay, let me keep writing. So I have to include at least one quote. I'm going to go here. And insert do you know that I need to insert a video for sure? So I'm going to insert that video. Awesome.
So I am going to check the YouTube and figure out and find a video that I think would be interesting. So one of them would be the tour of New York State. This is very nice and interesting for me to look at because it's like right here and I can import videos and it's very easy to use for me. And I'll click fine tune blunt. I really like this. And that's the tone I want to be able to take. I like how this tells me about what the tone of my writing is and what the readers of this of my blog would think. I think that's very useful. And looking at this cognitive assistant is very interesting. The internet tells me a lot about what New York is about, and I can insert it here at the bottom, and then it gives me a lot of extra information that I need, and it's very simple because it's very integrated. This readily helps me create a blog that's very easy and quick to write and guides me with information that inspires me to write more so I don't have writer's block.
And the tone analyzer, I think it says rigorous. So at least it's not boring or angry. It's not what I was going for.
Okay. So then my readers can click on that. Insert link. Okay. One thing that I don't like is that after I type it, I have to delete it. I mean, because it would be kind of weird to have both of them. Maybe if I highlight that and then insert link. Is that okay? Okay, so if I highlight it, then that works. Okay, where is Central Park? I don't see anything where it's okay, so I mean now it's showing me different options, and so that's cool because then if I was planning a trip and then I could say, oh, Ellis Island, oh yeah, I forgot about that, and you go there. But I don't really understand why that's there. I think that this should probably be filtered a little bit better to be to only have things that are relevant. Okay, emotional tones. I saw something moving. Okay, okay. A blunt tone is likely to be interpreted as no nonsense and straightforward, exhibiting little subtlety or complexity. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so it's showing. Okay, so those are the ones that are brighter, are the ones that are the different tones that I've used. Those things show passion. This shows spontaneity. And then that, I guess, shows trustworthy, I guess, because I'm kind of being very honest. So that's kind of cool. But then there's a little bit of, oh, it seems like timid is lit up, but I'm not seeing anything purple here. So I guess a good article would have a mixture of different things. Put a video here. Let's see, it's a travel guide.
This is the kind of information that I was hoping to get from the cognitive assistant tool. That and this, but I can't find a way to sort of narrow the search. So I see a bunch of keywords here, but I don't see a way to actually search for it, because right now I'm looking for information about the New York Giants. And even if it was just a link to a Wikipedia page or something like that, I could get enough information to at least pad, or back up or fill in some things here. So
is there a way to search it? Or, I mean, because different things pop up here.
I'm clicking reset and I don't see anything happening. And as for the actual results that showed up, not many actually have to do with what I'm writing about. I expected to see some stuff about the Central Park, Columbus Circle, Fifth Avenue, and pretty much what I'm seeing is just links about New York City.
Okay, I don't understand what these things are for. Because I keep Xing these things out and different things keep coming up. Is it just figuring out different things based upon what I'm writing? I mean, because I didn't actually type Chicago, so I don't know why Chicago is appearing here. I'll like highlight this and then press video. Maybe that will change things. Yeah, I don't see any of that. And I don't see a place to search exactly what I want.
I'm actually a freelance copywriter, so a tool like this would be very useful for me when working properly. As is, I would probably just use my good old Word, and then I would just use Google in the background.